J.A. Rogers, a respected historian, writes that Negroes were revered in Greek mythology and even depicted as gods. He points out that Zeus, the highest of the Greek deities, was given the title Aethiops, meaning black. From the 4th century onward, Egyptian gods were venerated in Greece. The Greek poet Pindar composed a sacred hymn that praises the Ethiopian Zeus as the king of Olympus, and Africa as the garden of Zeus. In short note, Zeus is recognized as Ammon. As mentioned in many times in Greek novels, the Ethiopians are so loved by the gods. The star constellations of Cassiopeia was named after the queen of Ethiopia, who was the mother of Andromeda. These 2 star constellations were named after African women. Zoshin from the 2nd century says that the first astronomers were Ethiopians. It was the Ethiopians that first delivered the doctrine of astrology to men, the first to invent the science of stars and give names to the planets, not at random and without meaning, but descriptive of the qualities which they conceived them to possess, and it was from them that this art passed to the Egyptians. Greece's first oracle was established by black priestesses from the Egyptian dynasty, who brought their ancient wisdom and sacred rituals to the Greeks, helping shape the foundation of oracular practices in Greece. The black man seems to represent Delphos, the legendary founder of the city, whose mother's name, Melina, literally means the black woman. Felena is identified as the Earth Mother Demeter. There is no doubt that the root name of Melina means black, and that Earth is frequently called black in Greek writings. It is for this reason that her son Delphos seems to have been considered an African black man. Negroes on the coins of ancient Greece point to the existence of a tradition which honored some Negro hero, whether it was Delphos, as some have maintained, or some other unknown black hero. Most coins in antiquity were minted to commemorate kings, heroes, or gods. The popularity of the Negro was tremendous in Greek and Roman civilization, and is attested by a wealth of statuettes, vases, engraved gems, coins, lamps, finger rings, earrings, necklaces, and masks from classical sites. One of the earliest statues of the Greek goddess Nemesis once portrayed her holding a bowl decorated with Ethiopian faces. She stood as the embodiment of vengeance and retribution. Her connection to Ethiopians could stem from the fact that the Ethiopians were renowned for their religious piety, justice, and hospitality, all qualities shared by Nemesis, whose stories are filled with themes of moral justice. It is likely that Nemesis was derived from the African original, Ma'at, the Kemetic deity, lady of justice, balance, and order.